Hello everyone, welcome to Dictionary section. A dictionary in Python is a collection of key value pairs. Each key is unique and it is used to access its associated value. Dictionaries are one of the Python's built-in data types and are mutable. It means that we can modify them after creation. And the key features of dictionaries in Python are as follows. Each element in a dictionary consists of a key and its corresponding value, written as key colon value. And we can add, remove, or modify items in a dictionary. And we cannot have duplicate keys in a dictionary. Let me illustrate all these concepts with an example. Here, I'm having a dictionary called my underscore dict, and then it is equal to braces. This code is going to give us an empty dictionary. But what if we want to declare a dictionary with some key value data? Here I'm having a dictionary called person, and I have the open brace here and the end brace here, close brace here. So all these three lines are part of my dictionary. Then I'm having keys called name, age, and city, and the associated values are Alice, 25, and New York, respectively. So here the key name has its associated value called Alice, and the key age has its associated data called 25 here in this case, and a city and New York. So this is how we are having a declaration or creation of a dictionary called person with three keys and three values. As you remember, we mentioned when declaring a dictionary, we are having key, colon, then values. So on the left hand side, we are having the keys. On the right hand side, we are having the values. But how can we access these keys or values of a dictionary? To have access to them, we can use the print function. And in parentheses, we type down the name of the dictionary, which is person in this case. And in square brackets here, in a square bracket, I'm typing down the name key. The key, which is the name, sorry. So here, when I'm having the name in the square bracket for the dictionary person, we are expecting to see Alice, its associated value. So whenever you want to access, for example, one of the values, we can access it through typing down the key of the dictionary. So when I run this code here, let me comment the last line. So when I run this code here, we see Alice in the output. So let me give you another example to access other uh, keys or values in Python. So here, as I mentioned, we are going to type down the name of the dictionary, which is person, and then open brace here. Then we are having quotes. And then I type down the age because the age is the second key in this dictionary that is called person. And I'm going to close everything here now. So when I run the code again, I expect to see 25 as well in the output. As you can see, we are having the 25 here as well. And finally, we can have the name of the dictionary. Then we can have the city, which is our last key in the dictionary person. So in order to access these values, we need to use these keys along with the name of the dictionary, because we may have like several dictionaries. We need to mention of which key, the value that is associated to which key in which dictionary we would like to have access to it. Okay. So here I'm typing down the name of the dictionary, and in braces, in square brackets, I'm typing down the name of the key, and the last key is city. So when I rerun the code, I expect to see New York in the output. So here also is the last value that is associated to the last key, which is the city here. And if I want to print out the dictionary, the whole dictionary in one place, when I run the code, I see it in the output. So we simply type down the print function and then we mention the name of the dictionary in parentheses. So we see the name, Alice, age, 25, city, New York. So this is how we can create and access different elements in a dictionary in Python. In the following videos, we are going to dive deeper into this concept in Python. Thank you for watching.